What is dark matter? We don't know. We know it's there and we know what it isn't. It will appear as if I've dedicated my life to this one particular model or what we think dark matter might be. If it's not that, that's just as good to me. You know, we've ruled it out and we can look at other areas. And so sort of null hypotheses are what science is built on. The trouble is, in the scientific realm, you don't really hear about it a lot, right? We're all supposed to only talk about the glory and we discovered this and we did that, but actually most of it is failure, or rather learning what doesn't work and what wasn't true and what we then build on from there.
We're a group of 9 artists and we were responding to scientific investigations into the unknown nature of the universe. And we've got a month's residency here at Guest Projects, thanks to the generosity of Euan James-Richards. And we've also been awarded Arts Council England grants for the art support for our project, so that's been a really good boost for us. During our time here, we've been running some workshops and encouraging discussion about dark matter. And we're also making new artworks, either in the space or bringing them in. I became interested in dark matter a couple of years ago. In my practice, I was interested in ideas of thresholds to other spaces, either physically or through the imagination. And at the time I was thinking about escapism, dreams of paradise, and the possibility of entering a different space through like a tear in reality. This got me interested in finding out more about the origin of paradise and how its meaning had shifted through history. So I was thinking about the landscapes around me and wondered what it was that I was actually looking at. If I looked beyond the surface, that within this ordinary space were hidden the building blocks of the universe. And in my search to discover what this matter around me was made of, I turned to particle physics.
All this dark matter is sort of moving through your body, through the Earth, through the solar system, you know, all the time. Hundreds of thousands of particles a second at a speed of a couple hundred kilometers a second. So it really is everywhere. It's just going through you right now. It may experience a weak force, maybe. It doesn't have to. I'm hoping it does, because that means that we can try and detect it.
I thought it would be great to go and see where the scientists spend their time underground in search of something so elusive. So joining together with the other artists in the project, we planned a trip to Bolby Underground Laboratory with the generous support of CHAM and the Bolby Lab Director, Professor Sean Palin. And this trip became the catalyst for this project.
There are no legitimate works, only pieces standing in their place. They all want and find a series of connections to a meaning that constitutes their claim on it, built on inherited rules, patterns that are then applied to variant roots. Some find older, more patriarchal modes and methods, but even they have a moment where their title is not theirs, a moment of bypassing the rules.
I'm looking at the visibility of women and comparing that to the visibility of dark matter in the universe, because I was really interested when Cham was speaking earlier. He often uses his body as he says, right, this is my body, and if I was dark matter. And I think that we do that, and as artists we can do that. We can make you think about what something is by referring to your body.
I'm trying to remember. It was sometime when you and Jim were young. It was either it wasn't a Christmas present, and I don't think it was birthday. It would either be Valentine's or going on holiday present, because sometimes he used to give me going on holiday present.
Everything we can touch, feel or see represents just 5% of the universe. The gaps in our memories and knowledge far outweigh the fragments that we hold on to. Yet through these fragments we can deduce the shape of the whole.
I thought it was really interesting how earlier you said that often there's so many scientists who are trying to disprove things, you know, and that goes unnoticed. So if you find something and discover something, you know, you get a lot of attention and prizes and so forth. But if you're part of the team that have, okay, we know this isn't going to work, we know that's not there, we know that's not what it is, it just remains invisible. But actually that all these experiments in art and science or in different disciplines play into all that knowledge. So it's interesting how that perception also, maybe in terms of this whole debate, that would be an interesting one to shift.